Ó, visão.
E aí, né? Coisa perigosa aqui.
When he reached the gates of heaven, he didn't understand. He had friends coming over. Was it all a dream? Was it all a crazy dream? Saw them playing there before him. What were they doing there? It felt like home must be alright. Or was it all a dream? Was it all a crazy dream? Memories replayed before him. All the tiny moments of his life. Lying around in bed on a Saturday morning. Two daughters and a wife. Two daughters and a beautiful wife. Meanwhile on earth his friends come over, shocked and horrified. Dolls and flowers by the storefront, and everybody cried. Everybody